Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Just playing around. I've done videos on both ways to do this, but if you look, the green looks like it's, or the blue, both of them interlocked. I did both these two different ways. So let's go to the center of the page here and get your common shape or basic shape, depending on what version. Get your heart or whatever object you want to do, and then turn that object into a thick line like half an inch. Convert it to an outline, convert the outline to an object. Now I'm going to make it blue to kind of match my original. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to mirror it while holding down the Control button. So it'll be, I can't move left or right, it doesn't move. Then I'm going to make it green. So I am going to make a copy of both these and nudge it over there. The way I started doing about a year ago is to do this right here. Select both those. You can see your blue is in the background. So select your box, hold down your shift, select your blue, and intersect. What that did, that cut out the blue inside that box. You can do it now or you can do it later if you can go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and then when you nudge that back, it puts the blue on top of the green. The other way I do it, and have been doing it for years, is left click, right click, and you use the virtual segment delete key. And you just got to think about, if this one's going through, then this one has to stop and this one has to go through. So then you can take your smart fill tool on green, change it to blue, and voila. And just don't forget to make it look better. Select it all and right click, no outline. Either way, you can do multiple interlocking, either way, this way or this way. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.